Poppers! Dog trying to do her duty. Good girl, go poops. Tough finding a spot where it's not overdone here. Hoo-hoo. Look at that. Well, we got ourselves dug out, and Ricky was able to get a loader up here last night and dig us out to Ridge Road, because Ridge Road to State Street was somewhat passable. Somewhat, I mean, literally a lane and a half wide is it. This is a snow pile at the front of the house. Look at this thing. Hee-haw. Unbelievable. And here's Myra Road, still covered in snow, with the exception of this, what Rick did for us. Rockland's driveway untouched. Come on, dog. So, we had a loader. This is worth $1,000, I'd say. Get this plowed out. The town couldn't come in, so we got it done with Rick's loader. Thank God. But, look at some of these. These are like 5 feet deep, some of these piles. 4 or 5 feet. Yep. Get over here and take a peek. Here we are at Ridge Road. Currently it is raining and freezing on contact, so we'll probably start to experience some power outages or something. This is all black ice. But there it is, 1.5 lanes wide. Crazy. Magnificent. Here's Brookhaven. Nobody out there yet. And that's the way most of the streets are. This morning I just drove Robin into the hospital and our neighbor into the hospital. She's a nurse. And on my way back I came up State Street went all the way to Dixwell Avenue to Ridge Road and came back that way just to see. And the majority of the streets off of State Street, the side streets, and as well as Dixwell, from what I could see, the feeder streets on Ridge Road, none of them have been done. It is quite eerie, the lack of activity. New, but he is here. It's going to be a record amount of snow. I think compared to 78, this is actually a little bit better. Having plowed in that storm in 78, we had sustained winds that were hurricane force for a much longer period of time. And it was very common to have snow drifts at street entrances and driveways over 10 to 15 feet tall. And that's an old poop there, doing her poop. Good girl. Good girl. So I think we came away okay as far as this storm goes. Yeah, it's a lot, but the amount of blowing and drifting snow that could have come with this had we had the hurricane force winds, then it would have been much worse. But this rain and freezing rain and sleet that's coming now is not a good thing. Not a good thing. So there you have it. My 5-minute video. Peace out.